Welcome back to our channel. Before we dive into today's exciting topic, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now let's talk about one of the most anticipated cars of all time, 2025 Jaecoo J8. The 2025 Jaecoo J8 has a bold, military-inspired design that screams rugged capability. Starting with the front, the aggressive grille and sharp LED headlights give it a distinctive look that immediately grabs attention. From the side, the J8 has that muscular profile with rugged body cladding and 20-inch all-terrain tires. With high ground clearance and sturdy roof rails, this SUV is built to handle all kinds of off-road adventures. Inside the Jaecoo J8, it's a perfect mix of luxury and functionality. The interior is filled with high-quality materials, from soft leather seats to metallic accents, making it not only comfortable but also stylish. The dashboard is clean and modern, dominated by this massive 15-inch touchscreen, which has all the connectivity and control features you could want. The materials here feel premium, and the seats are plush, making long rides enjoyable and comfortable. When it comes to technology, the Jaecoo J8 is equipped with all the latest features. This 15-inch touchscreen runs a very smooth, user-friendly infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an AI-powered navigation system. Rear passengers will enjoy built-in entertainment screens, giving them the option to watch movies or play games on the go. It's a great feature for families or anyone looking to make long trips more enjoyable. The Jaecoo J8 is all about performance, especially when it comes to off-roading. Under the hood, the J8 comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that delivers around 260 horsepower and is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth power delivery. Thanks to its intelligent 4x4 system and multi-terrain select modes, the J8 adapts to different surfaces like mud, snow, and rocks, offering you maximum traction and stability no matter where you are. So, if you love the great outdoors, this SUV is ready for the challenge. Safety is a priority for Jaecoo, and the J8 comes loaded with advanced driver assistance systems. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, all standard. For added convenience, the 2025 J8 also features a 360-degree camera, making parking in tight spots a breeze. And with rear cross traffic alert, you're covered from all angles. Overall, the 2025 Jaecoo J8 is a fantastic entry in the rugged SUV segment. It's powerful, packed with features, and incredibly stylish. Whether you're looking for an SUV to tackle tough terrain or just want a spacious, well-equipped vehicle for the family, the J8 has a lot to offer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future car reviews.